Hello guys! Welcome to my channel IGC Quest. Okay, our episode today, I'm gonna make red velvet cake. Okay, here's our ingredients. First, 100 grams butter. This is for later for our icing. 3 eggs, large eggs. Okay, 8 tablespoons vegetable oil or any oil that you prepare to use, and then 180 ml milk, fresh milk, or any water, any milk you prepare, and also here's our mixed red velvet cakes already. So it's 420 grams. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you step by step, one by one, how to make this AC red velvet cake. Okay, first we're gonna put slowly here in the big bowl. And do this way. Okay, turn. Next is, look at that, smells nice guys. And then milk, eggs, 1, 2, 3, and then our oil, and butter. The butter I use guys is for cakes and muffin, so it will give a good result. And then I'm gonna give a little bit of whisk before I'm gonna use the hand electric mixer. Wow, really smooth and really fine. So how much more if I use the electric mixer? That would very good as well. So okay, that's enough. So I'm gonna use now my electric mixer. Wow, look at this guys. Absolutely. Wow, look at this. It's beautiful. Really beautiful. The mixture is absolutely fine. baking paper, guys. I just put this for my bottom of my cake. So it's just easy to take it off when it's cooked. So this is a good idea. One more. This is one more. I make two. Okay guys, we put the equal amounts for 2 tins. This is what result is. And now it's ready to go in the preheated oven for 160 degrees fan for 20 to 23 minutes. Okay, stay tuned, keep watching till the end. Done. My red velvet cake. I'm just gonna tidy up now my red velvet cake. Okay, watch until the end because I will show you just follow my recipes, very easy, as you can see my video. And then there you go guys, ready? Just sprinkle these lovely things. Okay, so now your birthday cake, it is ready. Look at that. Just sprinkle like this, and then business is ready. If you want to do this business, you can. Simply just follow the steps. 3 steps only, and it won't cost you so much because 3 eggs, vegetable oil, and all-purpose flour, and ready-mix red velvet cakes. Okay, so thank you for watching. Enjoy.